Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we make tech super simple. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to hide recipients in Outlook when sending group emails. If you've ever wanted to send the same message to multiple people without revealing everyone's email addresses, this Outlook guide is all you need. Stick with me. I'll show you how to do it step by step, fast and flawlessly. All right, let's get started. When you send an email to multiple people, all recipients can usually see each other's email addresses in the To or CC fields. That's fine for small teams, but if you're sending something to clients, coworkers, or a large list, you'll want to protect their privacy. That's where the BCC feature comes in. BCC stands for blind carbon copy, and it hides your recipients from one another, so only you know who got the message. First, open your browser and go to the Outlook login page. If you're using Microsoft 365, click on Outlook from the dashboard. Now, sign in with your email and password. And if you've enabled two-factor authentication, complete that step as well. Once you're in, go to the Mail section and click on New Message or Compose to start writing your email. You'll see the usual To and CC fields. But to hide recipients, look for a small option that says Show BCC. It's usually near the top of the message window or inside the options menu. Click it, and you'll see a new field labeled BCC appear below. Now, enter all the email addresses you want to send to inside the BCC field. Separate them with commas or press. Enter after each one. This ensures no one else can see who else got your message. Finally, review your subject line, your message content, and make sure all recipients are in the BCC field, not To or CC. Once you're ready, just click send and you're done. You've successfully sent a private group email in Outlook, and that's it. You now know exactly how to hide recipients in Outlook using BCC. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and drop a comment if you want me to cover more Outlook tips in future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.